Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I just want to ask, how is everyone? How is your whole day? Today is a Friday night already and it's weekend. I hope you have a great weekend and enjoy your weekend, everyone. Anyway, I hope everyone is okay. Always strong, healthy, no sickness, and always happy. Anyway, guys, before going to sleep, I just want to say have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow. You know, it's okay. Now I still early. I can talk to you for a while before going to sleep, and I'm checking my email also. Every day I receive so many email, and some of the email I cannot able to reply already because it's too much and I feel sleepy before I finish replying. I cannot finish all reply. Anyway, I receive so many emails every day. Anyway, guys, enjoy your weekend and stay safe and healthy, everyone. Bye bye. I love you all and I miss you all. Bye bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.